Let us discuss formation of amide, reaction with ammonia, reaction of carboxylic acid with ammonia, carboxylic acid with ammonia. This is the third derivative of carboxylic acid. We have already discussed the formation of acid halide or acid chloride, formation of ester, now formation of acid amide, formation of amide or acid amide. This is the third derivative of carboxylic acid. The reaction is acetic acid with ammonia give ammonium acetate. This is ammonium acetate salt. Now heat ammonium acetate, dehydration takes place and acetamide is formed. Acetamide, this is acetamide, acetamide or IUPAC name is ethanamide. Ethanamide. Remember, only this derivative of carboxylic acid is formed indirectly. It is formed indirectly in two steps. First, ammonium acetate is formed, then heating ammonium acetate gives acetamide. So acetamide is formed indirectly. Now see mechanism. Nucleophile. Ammonia acts as a nucleophile. One bond breaks in the favor of oxygen. There is a positive charge on nitrogen and negative on oxygen. Then proton transfer takes place. Attach bond here between carbon and positive. One hydrogen transfer from NH3 positive to OH. This hydrogen. Oxygen become positive. Finally, loss of water molecule takes place. This electron of oxygen comes between oxygen and carbon. Acetamide is formed due to dehydration or loss of water. The next derivative, fourth derivative is acid anhydride. Formation of acid anhydride or dehydration of carboxylic acid. Take two molecules of acetic acid, heat, strong heating in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide. Loss of water takes place, acetic anhydride is formed. Acetic anhydride, write IUPAC name as ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Add one equation more. The water formed react with P2O5 phosphorus pentoxide to give PO3 metaphosphoric acid. So we have discussed formation of four derivative of carboxylic acid. We have discussed formation of acid halide. This is acid halide, formation of acid halide. Then we have discussed formation of ester, Then we have discussed formation of acetamide. Finally, we have discussed formation of acid anhydride. These are the four derivatives of carboxylic acid. The reaction of carboxylic acid involving carboxyl group. These are the final reaction. Reaction involving carboxyl group. This is partial reduction to alcohol and complete reduction to alkane. Lithium aluminum hydride is used. 2 hydrogen remove oxygen and 2 hydrogen added to carbon, alcohol is formed. Carboxyl group is changed to hydroxyl group. Then complete reduction in the presence of red phosphorus, hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide is a reducing agent. 3 hydrogen are added to carbon, ethane is formed, 2 water molecule and 3 iodine. So these are the reaction of carboxylic acid. Finally, add reactivity order of derivatives of carboxylic acid. What is the reactivity order of derivative of carboxylic acid? Mnemonics is acland acetamide. This is mnemonics. Acid chloride, acid anhydride, ester and amide. This is reactivity order. Write formula. This is acid chloride. This is acid anhydride. This is ester. Finally, acid amide. This is the reactivity of derivative of carboxylic acid. Allah Hafiz.